Oh, hello there. Welcome to Stoke Eats. We're going to teach you how to cook in the kitchen party. Alrighty, so we are in our Stoke Festival kitchen, and tonight you guys, lucky guys, are going to get some fucking fantastic nachos. So, simply, we have our beans here, we have our broccoli, we have our capsicum, as you guys in America would call peppers, cream cheese, guacamole, pico de gallo, freshly cut and freshly made, cheese, and of course, can't have nachos without nacho chips. We're going to put this all together, and you guys are going to be fucking impressed. They're delicious, they're healthy, and it's going to give you an all-round pleasure experience in your mouth. Cayenne pepper, just to put that little extra touch. We got guys from Mexico, which is basically tomato salad, nice and fresh and really good to complete your whole nacho experience. You should end up with something looking like this. So get yourself along to a Stoke Festival and fucking get some nachos in here. On again.
It's gotta go, Scott.
They look really good. Yep, good food.